Al-Haytham, the father of optics, would cry before his research, fearing arrogance. Al-Khwarizmi, whose work gave birth to algebra, saw mathematics as a way to understand Allah's order. Al-Jazari, the pioneer of mechanical engineering, began his inventions with remembrance of Allah, believing creativity itself was a gift entrusted to him. They all shared something in common. Before intellect, they sought sincerity. Before answers, they asked Allah. Before discovery, they made dua. And this is where modern Muslims often disconnect. Today, knowledge is chased for status. Degrees become identities. Success becomes arrogance. Information increases, but wisdom disappears. Allah warns us of this imbalance. And they have no knowledge of it. They follow nothing but assumption. Surah An-Najm, verse 28.